Our lovely patient who's 56 years old is 3 years out from her breast augmentation, and she comes in today and she's very graciously agreed to share with everyone how she feels about her results.
Oh, I feel I'm very happy and very confident, especially for my husband.
Oh, so nice.
I'm not shy before in front of him anymore.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
And you feel more comfortable in clothes?
Yes.
Fantastic.
And I'm very confident. Like everybody asks me, like, "Oh, is that your real one or you black?" I said, "Just guess. That's mine.
It's my secret. It's
my secret. Yeah.
Oh, you're fantastic.
Yeah. So I am really like. From the beginning, I'm so excited. So I tell people like I'm in plan, but I should not tell it because nobody know it if I don't tell them.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so fabulous.
Yeah. Right.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
And are they comfortable?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like mine.
They're like yours.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
But it's one thing is like it's very hard for you to do mammogram. They have a hard time to do it.
Your mammogram?
Yeah.
Well, they do have to do that extra view when they're doing the mammograms.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, they say it's very hard for them to do mammogram for the tissue.
Yeah.
They have to push down the implant to make.
Yeah.
I just do last 2 weeks.
2 weeks ago.
Mammogram.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what cup size were you before you had implants?
Oh, it's terrible.
Okay.
I'm so small.
Oh, like an A cup? Smaller than an A cup?
I hate to see myself when I have that.
Okay.
So since I have this one, I'm so proud. You know?
Oh.
Yeah, because I lost a lot of weight, so it's
Yeah.
lost my breast too.
Your breast volume.
Yeah, that's why I decided to do it.
Yep.
Yeah, some people told me I'm crazy, but I'm not. I'm happy now.
You're not crazy.
Some
at
people
all.
they scared. They say
Yeah,
like
well, it's the
they have a
unknown.
risk. They take a risky. They say
It's the
something
unknown.
about cancer.
No, that doesn't. There's no issues with that at all.
Uh-huh.
What cup size are you now?
I think 30, 40.
D cup.
Yeah,
Okay.
but I still feel like so small. But last time you did me a maximum already.
Mm-hmm.
But people say like, why you don't make a little bit bigger?
As long as you're happy with them, they're the right size. Right?
Yeah, they say, why you spend money? Why you don't make bigger?
Well, because you look great, and as you said, everyone thinks that these.
Yeah, that's
you were
a
born
real.
Like this.
Yeah,
This is your
Mine.
baseline.
Yeah, right.
That's what we look for. We try and get you a very natural result.
Yeah. Last time I just went to the one of I wear the one is we have a neck V-neck.
Yeah.
And they said, oh, your breast so beautiful. Is that real or you make an implant? I said, it's mine.
It's mine.
No, I'm not telling people anymore.
I'm not telling.
And guess what? I go to the beach and I can wear bikini.
Yay!
Yeah, that's more important.
That's so great.
Yeah.
That's so great. Well, thank you for sharing your story.
Yeah.